My name is Tekla Severin. I'm a multidisciplinary designer and a photographer, but foremost I call myself a colorist, since color is the base in everything I do. I first come across Bolon maybe 12 or 15 years ago when I was working as this interior designer at the architect office, and I've been a fan ever since. I think color can affect a space and environment totally, because color basically is light, and light is energy, and energy is life. And it's all about combination and the function of the rooms, etc. I was asked by Formex to do something with this 10 times 25 meters empty space in the entrance hall. So by far the biggest exhibition design I have done. The task was to pick, curate and display 200 products from 400 different exhibitors. The inspiration behind the space is a labyrinth. So it's 4 different houses, I call them, and 2 open spaces that are placed zigzag to each other to play this hide and seek game and color blocking game with each other. So I have used 27 different colors on each facade, on each wall, on each niche. And I work from my forever exploration and quote that color is always relative, never absolute. It's what you put next to it that defines it. And that was something I wanted to include in this exhibition design as well. I chose black and white tiles by Bolon because I wanted this timeless sense and ground for the exhibition with all its complexity and versatility, and it could remind about a castle or a chess or a modernist apartment, and it was like this perfect ground for the exhibition. The floor is a contrast to the rest of the exhibition. It's a perfect match in the existing space with this marble flooring, and it's getting a contrast towards that. Then the colored walls, and then the connecting to the products. So it's kind of an all kind of matching, contrasting game. So what I want is for people to discover new ways of combining colors between all these layers of designs and patterns and shapes. Lots of discovery.